dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error unable to load video on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here mobile data or cellular data, and just check if you turn on here, and also you need to check here if you choose photos, just enable cellular data for photos. So just check this thing, and if you still have this issue, so just check your Wi-Fi also connection. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it helps turn it off and turn on again. And after, just go to the general, just try to update your iPhone. So just choose here software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to go to the general again, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so just find here photos, and here you need to check if you turn on iCloud for your photos. And if you successfully turn on iCloud, so just try the latest way how you can fix it. So it's might force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button, and after you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.